and actions. Now I'm going to show how exactly we are supposed to do. Let us say now I'll just do this as easy course grant, and also because one of the student is going to have the course with me, then automatically the student should get a mail to his mail ID, or so the student should get the automatically the course. Now, since we do not have the easy course as a direct access here, so what we are going to do is we will use the webhook and API. These are the two methods where we can get, you can say this is we can marry these two platforms. Right now, I'm going to use this webhook. In order to get this webhook, see, let's say, so this is the webhook URL it has given. Now I want to paste this in a place where it will send me the data, right? So now for this, I have a Google Sheet. Here I have just given the name as grant course access. So now what I'm saying the Pabbly is, whenever somebody comes here in this data, I want you to grant the course to them. So that's what I want to say. Now for the first step, what I'm going to do is, so I'll have to integrate the Pabbly to this Google Sheet first. How do I do that? You'll have to go to Pabbly Connect, then go to initial setup. Sometimes you do not have this. Instead, now what you'll have to do is go to this add-ons, get add-ons. If you just go here, you will find this marketplace. Here you type as a Pabbly Connect services. So Pabbly Connect, once you click here, it will get installed. Automatically, you will be able to see here. Go here, initial setup, then just give this as this, so webhook URL here, until e column we are going to give this. Now, before that, I want to do one more thing as well. Now, I'll just type some name here. Now, let's say, so this is the name I'm going to give. Okay, and the mobile number, I'm going to give some random number. Okay, now the course I want to give as an access to this, right? How do you give this, so selection? Because you can use, so Stripe, you can use Razorpay, you can use form building softwares like Formulu, 123 forms, or anything you can use to bring the data here. Now, otherwise, if you're manually entering also, still it works. Now, for this course name, so what is that one course name I want to give an access? Now, let us come here. Now, I'll go to courses, then I'll go to course access. Then let us say I want to give this Reiki English as a course. Now what I'm going to do is I'll just give this Reiki English. So this is the course I want to give it to the student who is Mr. Kumar. Once I register here, so once the data appears here, it has to be added in my account, and then this course has to be granted to him. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add this Pabbly Connect here. So once it is done, so then I'm just copying this. Then I'll just come here. I'll just paste this. Then till E column, whatever it comes, I want this data to be sent there. Now setup configured successfully. I'm going to send the test data right now. So it has sent the data to Pabbly. Now Pabbly has connected with this data. Now in the second column, there is one option called filter. This I'm going to use, which means let us say tomorrow if some other courses are getting added here, now, but I want this course access to go to person, one who is registered with this Reiki English only, right? So now I'm going to do as, so if the course name is Reiki English, then the value also should be course English. Then only this trigger should work. This is what I'm trying to tell to Pabbly. Now, after that, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to here, I'll just use the API. Now we got the data from Excel sheet to Pabbly. Now, what I'm going to do is I need to give this access to a, I'm going to do is, I'll just use this webhook option here. So here there are two things, data in and data out. Now I'll click on this data in. So now I don't want to just register the students, rather I want to register student and enroll to a particular program. So I'm going to copy this, just I'll come here, then I'll just paste here. Now, once it is done, it is asking me certain parameters. So what are these parameters? See, if you go to EzyCourse, it has given almost 8 parameters. These 8 parameters should be posted here. Now I'll just quickly post this. Now, if you just see here, first name, last name, email, password confirmation, product ID, and all those things, whatever it was there here, everything I've just copied here. Now, what I'm supposed to do is, I will have to just collect the data from webhook responses, which is already been here. right? So this is where it has captured everything. So now I want to integrate this. Right now, I'll just go here. Just I'll give as name of the student. Then the last name, the same I'm going to give. Then the email ID, it is this. Then the password, it is asking me. I'm going to give some password to this. Let us say password at 123. I'm just giving some random. So you can give whatever you wish, right? So now coming to this product ID. What is this product ID? Now, if I just come here, go to courses, all courses. So these are the products. So these are the products. Now, this is the product ID, means 3752. Now I'm going to copy this. I'll just come here. I'll just copy here. Otherwise, if you don't directly get this, if you just click here, at the end, you will get this. So now just click this and then just paste here. Now it is asking me the product ID. Okay, this is the product type it asks me. So sorry, now it should be the product ID and it is asking me the product type. Now, what is this product type? Is it course or is it a bundles course? See, there are a lot of things, right? Single course, bundle course, pre-sale course. There are so many right now. So if you come to this webhook also, it is saying me here. So for register and enroll the student, this product type, it is course, private course, sorry, private chat, digital product, or so number of things appeared here. Now this is only course to me. Even if you want this bundle course, still you can do that as well. But I want this to be as course because this is my only course it is available. So that I want to enroll here. See, this is my just course it is. Right. So now I'm going to give this as course. So I'll just give this once again. So I'm just copying this from here. Always I suggest you to copy that directly instead of you just get it. Otherwise, you can do one more thing also. So the value you can just capture from the capture also you can just okay. So this is also and price ID. What is this price ID? Now what I'm going to do is I'll just click here. So just okay, so just I'll go to English, then coming to this price. So already I've just given some ID. You can give this, otherwise you can zero. Means I'm going to keep this as zero, right? So whatever the price you have, that also you can just keep it here. That's also possible. Now, once it is done, okay, so I'll just show you. So there is one more thing you can do. Whenever it throws some error, then you'll have to check here. It is, so it was selected as get, but now I have just selected as post. So once it is done, so then, so whatever the details it's been captured that I have just entered here. Now this product, you will have to just go here in the data, then just collect, connect this, just copy this directly, then come here, then give as course. That's it. Okay, then product ID, as I was showing you here, so this was the product ID. If you just come here, so this is the product ID. Just come here, just paste this, right? So once product ID is done, then price, as I was showing you this. So this price is this, okay? So this one, 0. So this I just pasted here. Now, once it is done, just you will have to give us save and send response. So once it is done, so it will directly, okay. So once it is done, so it has directly sent to this and then it will come as a user created successfully. So if you create double times, then it happens like that. See, it has been appearing here. Now what I'm going to do is I'll just check whether this is working or not. I'll just open this incognito window. Now I'm going to type the same thing. Okay, so the URL which I have given, that is so this is the URL. Then I'm just going to enter this. The password. So this is just a demo email ID. Now, once it is done, so I'll just go to this dashboard. So this is automatically generated. So this is how we are going to do this. Okay. So now, once it is done, so we can just do anything. Say one last step, I'll just show you. So once it is created, if you just go here and then check, because it automatically happened. If you go here and check in the enrollments, so it is done. Right. So I hope this is useful to you, and